Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another 2016. This is a Dodge Charger with V6 motor. Okay, that one is the 3.6 liter. So we have a lifter nice. So check it out. Look, this one is the rocker arm that has the noise right here. Look, this is a lot of gap that has on the rocker arm. This is the only issue that we have. Okay, it's not a lifter, it's lifter noise, but the lifter is in a good condition. All right, this is our lifter, and if you see the camshaft has a lot of damage. So I recommend you guys that you need to replace the camshaft and the rocker arm on that situation. Okay, so this is the pretty common issue on the V6 3.6 liter from Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep. Okay, so just I recommend you that you change the OEM part, and that's it, guys. Check your old lifters, and it's enough if you just disassemble this one from here, and that's it, guys. You can to remove the rocker arm right here. Okay, and in the same thing with the other bank. All right, guys, so don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.